All right, those were just my cooked shell noodles in my greased muffin tin. Next, I'm coming in with my cooked ground beef, and I did cook this with some taco seasoning. And we're gonna add a generous amount of beef into each of our noodles, just like so. Try to make sure that noodle stays right in place. This is gonna be a super easy and super delicious quick appetizer, dinner, whatever you want to make it for. So let's go ahead and fill up our shells with our delicious ground beef. All right, last one. Perfect. Next, I'm bringing in my Pace Picante salsa, and I am using the medium one. And I'm gonna bring my little cookie scoop, and we're gonna add a scoop of salsa right on top of our ground beef with taco seasoning. Now I'm using salsa, but you can also use enchilada sauce. You can use a homemade salsa, whatever you like. Just go ahead and douse your ground beef in deliciousness. And I'm doing the medium like I mentioned, but you could do mild, you can do spicy, whatever you like, just go for it. Let's quickly get our salsa in our noodles. All right, last one. These are smelling incredible. All right, and of course, we gotta add some cheese. I have the Mexican blend Tillamook, and we're gonna add a generous amount because this is gonna encase all of that delicious beef into our shell pasta. And I know this might kind of seem like a weird combination, all these Mexican flavors combined with a pasta shell, but trust me, it is gonna be delicious. That shell is gonna get a little bit crispy from the muffin tin, and it's almost gonna be like a taco shell, but so much more fun and portable. So let's get this cheese on here so we can get it cooking. All right, last one. Look at all that cheese on there. That looks delicious. And you can use whatever cheese you like. I just use Mexican to complement the other flavors. Now, before this pops in the oven, I'm gonna use my freeze-dried cilantro. And we're just gonna do a nice little sprinkle on each one of our little muffin holes. This is gonna be so good, so easy. Now, if you don't like cilantro, you could do a green onion or a chive, or you can just skip the greenery altogether. But I just think it not only tastes good, but it also makes our little shells look a little bit more appetizing. Color to the plate always is a yes for me. All right, you guys, my oven is set to 350, and this is gonna be in there for 20 minutes. Oh my, these smell absolutely insane, you guys. I cannot wait to dig in. Look how crispy and delicious they look. So I just have my spoon here, and we should be able to just get right under it. See how it just plops right out? Perfect little scoop. And I'm gonna put it on my plate. For me, a serving is about 3 of these because I am hungry. Oh my goodness, smells like Taco Tuesday, but with a fun twist. All right, yum, yum, yum. It is time to give these a try. Ah, okay. Look how you can just pick them up. Just grab it and dig in. It's still hot, but it's delicious, you guys. You gotta try it.